Hi, we are in this place, Sheikh Sarai, and we have planted trees every week whenever we come here. So we are planting small plants here. So this is what we are doing. My team is also here. Let's listen what they have to say. Gagan is sole responsible.
So good morning everyone. My name is Gagan. So we are doing plantation today. Although there is a one thing that we cannot make policy in parliament, but what we can do is we can do small things in a great way. So we are planting, and we hope that this plant will survive and they will flourish. And we also make sure that the survival rate remains 100%. We come here in the middle of the like after 14 days or 15 days to check that, or to make sure that this plant is surviving. And we are doing this small thing in a great way. Hope you will also join us soon.
Hi everyone, good morning to all. So this whole plantation drive credit goes to Gagan only. He has been doing this for many years, and he somehow motivated us also to get indulged into this activity. And this is a beautiful way to give something back to nature, as nature has been giving us enormous things for centuries. So this is a small way to contribute to this nature so that we can leave something behind for our generations to come. Thank you.
My name is Arvind, and we are team TSC that we are planting tree here. In last month we have started this activity, and we are going very much well with this activity. And these all things go to Gagan Bhai and the team TSC. Last time I missed because I was not here, and I am doing this thing. I am feeling very happy for this thing.
So I just want to remind our viewer what once F. Kennedy had said once. JF Kennedy, the President of America, had once said that countrymen, do not ask what country has done for you, ask what you have done for country. So this is a reminder to all of us that we should not always think about what government is doing. There are so many small things we can also do, like we can save our nature from so many things, like people throw garbage here and there, don't think about it. So those who are watching this video, to them I want to say that whatever possible you can do, maybe you can put a small plant there, or you can just take care of a street dog next to your house, or you can do anything small. So this is the way to pay back to our country, to our nature, or to the God who has created us. So whatever is possible we can do. Aniket is here. Aniket, why are you feeling so shy?
So good morning everyone, my name is Aniket. So we have planted so many saplings here, and you have listened to every member of TSC, and in the last I want to just urge, if you see an empty place, if you see that you need to plant something, so just plant. We never buy these plants. There is a nursery, government nursery, through which we go and buy these plants free of cost. So you just have to fill one form and you can get plants free of cost. Yes. So you can do this at your home as well.
So to do such things, one doesn't need money. What needs actually is a desire, a will to do something. So as the member said that we have not bought these plants, we don't buy them. 1 or 2 days before Sunday, we go to a nursery in Saket and we fill a form there, and we tell them that this is what we are up to. So they give us free of cost. So only we spend in transportation. We bring all the plants, we keep them at institute. And then Sunday morning, it's a beautiful Sunday morning, we come and we do this thing. So actually nowadays we are working on 2 things. We help students to improve their communication skill. We help them to wake up early in the morning. And at the same time, this another initiative which we have taken. I hope that we continue with this thing and we could bring some small changes in our little world. This is what all I have to say about this. Thank you so much. Do take care. Happy Sunday. Hi, good morning everyone. So you can see that this is what the team is doing. We have been planting trees for last 2 to 3 months, and this is the right weather to plant trees. So you can see that the students of the Shrine of English, they have been working on this diligently. We have taken this small responsibility to lift little bit our environment. So you can see that these are the things we have done. Very nice, very nice. So this is what the team is doing, guys. We have been promoting tree plantation for last 2 months, and we can see that we are in this forest area. We have planted all these small